we're going to leave no stone unturned to make sure that our healthcare workers have the equipment that they need, and also that our healthcare system has the capacity to deal with people, not just those struggling with coronavirus, but of course every American that continues to deal with health challenges and health issues. I think the American people understand that the nature of our system, the way America works, it is the local health care workers and the local officials that are on the front lines. Tens of millions of Americans have been using the drive-thru at a restaurant, avoiding gatherings of more than 10, putting off non-essential travel, working from home. We have every confidence that as the data continues to unfold in the weeks ahead, we will see that the steps of the American people, of families, and businesses around the country across the board has significantly impacted the spread of the coronavirus in our country and ultimately saved lives. But the really inspiring thing is that while the Defense Production Act gives the President the authority to order businesses to manufacture critical equipment in times of war or crisis, every business that we have asked to step up has said yes. Whether it be with major industries that have stepped forward, many of which are starting to manufacture ventilators. Our first approach is to say, let's ask American businesses to join with us in an American response, and not surprisingly, American businesses are doing just that. It really is in the hands of the American people. The truth is there are communities around the country where people need to heed their state and local authorities. But if every American, if you will put into practice, we can hasten the day that we move our nation past the coronavirus outbreak. We can protect the most vulnerable among us, and we can heal our land. But it will take all of us, including young Americans and millennials, to do it. But I have every confidence that Americans of every age are fully engaged. We've all stepped up. We're protecting our most vulnerable, and we'll get through this. I know with all my heart.
In our present crisis, the strength of our people is our single most important asset, and together we will defeat this invisible curse, this invisible enemy, and rise to incredible new heights. With the grace of God, we are rising to the occasion. We are proving that no darkness can overshadow the eternal light of American courage. We will win, and when we do, we will rebound with astonishing force and speed. We will be stronger than ever, and we will have learned so much where something like this can never hurt us to the extent it has, and the world again.